So we are presenting on element 38, displaying objectivity and control, and that is all about classroom management. Displaying objectivity and control means not taking things personal, keeping your cool, and being consistent not just with the negatives but with the positives. And so to give you a picture in your head, just think about how tough it was when you have some of those challenging students in your classroom that really keep you on your toes. And it makes it hard to have an effective classroom when we don't have control over what's going on, right? And so we're going to talk about how to keep your cool. So here's a little bit of a video real quick just to kind of show you the do's and the don'ts. Was that keeping your cool? And here's a different example.
Guys, can we get some quiet? Okay, let's talk about the populist movement. Anyone want to talk about that? You, sir?
I don't know about the populist movement, but I can tell you about the bowel movements.
That's good stuff. Nice. Said bowel movement. It was good. I liked it. I laughed. What else you got, Seinfeld?
So those are two different, very different examples of how to use classroom management. But we should be reflecting on our classroom management skills and how we were able to keep cool and be consistent by reflecting daily. And technology can help facilitate this, but some of the things that we can begin with by asking ourselves is, did I accurately acknowledge students who followed the rules and procedures? So again, it's not just giving attention to the negatives, but to acknowledging students who are following the rules and praising them. Did we apply consequences for students who did not follow rules and procedures? And again, being consistent in those consequences, not just for students that are always kind of off task, but for everyone equally, right? And so you can reward students for good behavior by sending good notes home, giving them choices of different things that they can participate in. But again, being consistent from one student to the next. And did I respond to every opportunity to acknowledge adherence or lack of adherence to the rules and procedures? And did I strike a balance between no nonsense and nurturing attitude? So again, just kind of being relaxed, cool, not taking things personally, and that will really help us keep control of our classroom.